My name is Zach. My friends call me Catfish. I'm known as the voice of BMX. You guys definitely deserve a BMX show to get out of class on a Wednesday morning, right? I got you. At Nature, doing it for Nitro Circus Division BMX. Been riding professionally for 15 years. Make some noise for Oscar Marquez. So if you're having a rough one, if you're dealing with some anxiety or some depression, just know a couple of things. One, I've been there and it gets better. And two, you're not alone. Every single one of us goes through that. Westminster, who's ready for some BMX today? One thing I will tell you, the louder you cheer for these guys, the more it gets their adrenaline pumping up, and the more tricks you're gonna see over this ramp. Mr. Marquez, 360 turn down. Pushing up, let him hear you! Oh! He touched the wall! Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matty Meacher! That was you guys that called that one out. Shout out to your classmates. Mason Ritter. Here we go, make some noise! Let him hear you! Bullies want to get under your skin. If you see something, let somebody know.